Welcome to AI Evolution, where knowledge meets the world. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about MUSE AI, a new tool from Unity that can help you create games faster and easier. MUSE AI is an AI-powered platform that helps you create real-time 3D applications and experiences. It can be used to generate assets, textures, and even animations, all using natural input like text prompts and sketches. How can I use MUSE AI to create games? There are a few different ways you can use MUSE AI to create games. One way is to use it to generate assets. For example, you could use MUSE AI to generate a 3D model of a character, a texture for a building, or even an animation for a fight scene. Another way you can use MUSE AI to create games is to use it to help you with the design process. For example, you could use MUSE AI to generate ideas for new game mechanics, or to help you brainstorm different levels for your game. What are the benefits of using MUSE AI? First, it can help you save time and effort. MUSE AI can automate a lot of the tasks that are involved in game development, so you can focus on the more creative aspects of the process. Second, MUSE AI can help you create more realistic and engaging games. MUSE AI can generate assets that are more detailed and accurate than what you could create on your own. This can make your games more immersive and visually appealing. That's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.